Okay, and this is a 3-bedroom, 3 units. You still want to go?
Last time you ate. It's been a day.
Yeah, this property need a lot of work, I would say. Are you coming? Can you come here?
I typically don't do that, but I just felt it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You wanna take a look more? Yeah, it's a lot of rooms, but it need a lot of work, I would say. It's another huge room. It's a nice house, used to be. And this is probably kitchen. I don't think we are ready for such big project, are we? No? You wanna come? Keep door closed. And this is going to the second floor. Big time mold here.
She has no fear.
Fear from what? Oh, like if you come to see house, you need to go and see the house, right? It's maybe a beautiful project, but probably ceiling need to be removed. Well, as long as I'm not doing job, I'm fine with it. Tony, oh, thank you. Okay, one more room. One more room. You can go down from here. Bathroom. Do you like the bathroom?
This is a huge house.
Yep. And this is the kitchen. But definitely need new roof, right? Yeah. And where do you go from here? No, it's fine. It's fine. Now you want to go, huh?
Oh yeah, now you want to
Now
go
you
upstairs.
want to go, okay. And see what the change your mind? Okay.
Oh, okay.
We get back to the same.
Yeah, right back to the back door.
Okay.
Unless you feel adventurous and going to the basement, right to the third floor.
I don't think so. Ooh.
You said that's the third floor.
Oh, it's a third floor too?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So we're coming back.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, 1, 2, I don't remember how many bedrooms, but it's a lot of bedrooms. And it's really nice house, or used to be.
You can open that way and just put it in.
This is the third floor.
Ooh.
Hot? Just roof fall down, right? And some breeze.
Got a bathroom here.
Yeah.
For a kitchen.
Yeah, it's 2 more rooms here. 3.
We started doing some work on the roof.
And they already fixed it, huh?
Yeah.
If we just had a team of people who can do things. It's maybe a nice project. 3 bedroom just in the 3rd floor. Yeah, I think I step on something. Oh, yeah, beautiful. How did I manage?
There's structural damage on the steps here.
Yeah, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms here.
Doesn't matter.
Okay, so you wouldn't see. Structural damage on the stairs.
Yeah, when you're going down the stairs,
It don't sound good.
it's going in a different direction. And they've already gutted the wall, so electrical is gone.
It's so many bedrooms, like you're not gonna believe. Yeah. Ceiling is gone. So many bedrooms really. Small bathroom, really tiny small bathroom. Kitchen. And I believe plumbing is gone. Everything is gone. So it's a lot of work. But maybe worth it. What do you think?